All right, tech aficionados, let's dive into today's buzzworthy news from Verizon Communications. Now, whether you're the kind of person who's glued to every gadget or someone who's counting down the days to the Global Day of Unplugging like it's the next big holiday, Verizon's got a little something for everyone. Verizon is calling for a digital holiday, asking everyone to brace yourself, put the phone down. Yes, you heard that right. In anticipation of the Global Day of Unplugging, they're rolling out new plans to guide families toward better digital wellness. Hosted by none other than Drew Barrymore, the Verizon Digital Wellness Summit planted the seeds for these ambitious initiatives, all about promoting screen time balance and digital well-being in families. And honestly, who doesn't need a technology timeout every once in a while? But wait, this isn't just about telling folks to chuck their devices into the nearest river. It's way more thought out. With an average household sporting a brag-worthy collection of 18 gadgets officially making it a connected device zoo, Verizon understands the double-edged sword of our online lives. CEO Sampath from Verizon Consumer Gear shifted into motivational speaker mode, emphasizing the importance of digital safety and balanced tech habits. Basically, let's not continue raising a generation that believes eye strain is part of their personality, shall we? So, what's the plan, Stan? Verizon's throwing together alliances with big names like Discovery Education, 08s from ARP, My Digital Tattoo, and even the beloved puppets at Sesame Workshop. It's a multi-generational digital extravaganza with immersive NYC pop-ups designed to bring offline interactions back into vogue. Yes, the outside world is kind of cool too. Verizon doesn't just want to dish out smartphones like candy. They want to put tech's powers into everyone's hands while ensuring users wield those powers responsibly. Enter Donna Epps, Verizon's Chief Responsible Business Officer, who revealed digital programs her team will be launching. They're geared up to bolster everyone's knowledge and skills on how to navigate the digital battlefield without losing your essence to meme scrolls and cat gifs. And if your significant aha moment from all this is that technology should enhance, not invade our lives, that's the sort of stuff Verizon's all about nowadays. They're innovating to help you work, live, and maybe, just maybe, occasionally unplug while in a gaming chair. With a business empire sprawling across countries and playing galactic chess with nearly all Fortune 500 companies, Verizon logged massive revenues of $134 billion in 2023. But it's not resting on its laurels. They're constantly adapting to meet today's needs with an eye on tomorrow, be it the demands of mobility or a beacon of reliable, secure connectivity. This headline-making move toward digital wellness, cow-written with modern family needs, serves like a friendly nudge from Verizon, urging us all to set aside the technological leash every once in a while and feel the grass between our toes. After all, balance is key, right? In a hyper-connected world, sometimes a little disconnection is just what the screen doctor ordered. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.